Hi! In front of me is Motorola Moto G62 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can install and then apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. Begin by opening Play Store and tapping on the search bar. Now you need to type in Magic Fluids and get this free app from Mad Scientist developer. When your app is ready, open it. Now you can mute the music by tapping on this icon at the bottom left corner. Following that, click on those three lines at the bottom right one and tap on Settings at the top. In this pop-up, you need to click on I accept and then adjust all of those wallpaper settings however you wish to. You can see a preview above. When you finished, click on the top right corner and bottom one again. This time select the Save Wallpaper. Click on Set Wallpaper here and tap on the best option for you. I will go with Home Screen only. Now swipe up from the bottom edge of your screen, choose Home button, and as you can see after that, my wallpaper was successfully applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!